What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best smoothie blenders on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Blender. Are you in search of a versatile blender that can effortlessly handle your culinary creations? Look no further than the KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. The KitchenAid K400 blender boasts a powerful 1,200-watt motor, making blending tasks effortless. Its three-part blending system, comprising a vortex-creating rib jar design, an innovative asymmetric blade, and the IntelliSpeed motor control, ensures optimal speed for superior blending results. Effortless blending of tough ingredients. Say goodbye to struggles with kale and almonds. The KitchenAid K400 effortlessly tackles notoriously tough ingredients, allowing you to transform whole foods into silky smooth smoothies in no time. Hassle-free cleaning. Cleaning up after blending has never been easier. With its self-clean cycle, simply add water and a drop of soap to the jar and let the blender do the rest. Enjoy quick and effortless cleanup with every use. Versatile texture control. Whether you prefer smooth or chunky textures, the KitchenAid K400 offers unparalleled control. Adjust the variable speed dial to achieve your desired texture or choose from 3 preset recipe programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drink, or Smoothie. Smart Start feature. Experience seamless blending from start to finish with the Soft Start feature. Number 4. Hamilton Blender. The Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender is equipped with a robust 1,500-watt motor and hardened stainless steel blades, capable of crushing ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Experience unparalleled blending power that works through hard ingredients in seconds, making it perfect for smoothies, shakes, and more. Quiet operation. Say goodbye to noisy blending sessions. The removable quiet shield effectively dampens noise during the blending process, allowing you to enjoy a quieter kitchen environment while preparing your favorite recipes. Versatile settings. With 4 program settings including Smoothie, Ice Crush, Puree, and Clean, this blender offers one-touch convenience for a variety of blending tasks. The variable speed dial provides precise control, allowing you to adjust the blending speed from a super slow 3,000 RPM to a fast 18,000 RPM. Durable construction. Number 3. Oster Pro Blender. Discover the Oster Pro 1200 blender, a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to elevate your blending experience. Experience effortless blending with the Oster Pro 1200. Equipped with smart settings technology and 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for the most common blender creations. Achieve consistent results with the touch of a button, whether you're blending smoothies, sauces, or soups. Dual Direction Blade Technology. The Oster Pro 1200 features dual direction blade technology, providing extra blending power to chop and grind with precision. Its extra-wide 3.5-inch blade system allows ingredients to flow down into the blades easier, resulting in faster and smoother blending results. Powerful performance. With 1,200 power watts and 900 watts of ice-crushing power, this blender effortlessly tackles tough ingredients, turning them into smooth and creamy blends. Number 2. Ninja Foodi Smoothie Maker. Introducing the Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor, a revolutionary blender designed to elevate your blending experience to new heights. The Ninja SS101 comes equipped with a 14 ounces smoothie bowl maker featuring a built-in tamper. It effortlessly blends and powers through frozen foods with minimal liquid, perfect for creating thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and even blender ice cream. Smooth nutrient extractions. Experience smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks with the 24 ounces Nutrient Extraction Cup. Its superior breakdown capability ensures that you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables, extracting essential vitamins and nutrients for your well-being. Smart Torque Technology. Powered by a robust 1,200 peak watt power-dense motor, the Ninja SS101 boasts Smart Torque technology. This innovative feature enables the blender to power through heavy loads without stalling or the need for stirring or shaking, ensuring consistent and reliable blending every time. Versatile functions. With 6 versatile functions including one-touch blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads, the Ninja SS101 caters to all your blending needs. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Discover the Vitamix 5200 Blender, a professional-grade kitchen essential designed to revolutionize your culinary experience. Versatile culinary companion. The Vitamix 5200 is more than just a blender. It's a versatile tool that empowers you to create every course of your home-cooked meal, from fresh smoothies to creamy desserts, in a matter of minutes. With its professional-grade construction, it's the universal solution for family meals and entertaining guests. Precision variable speed control. Enjoy precise control over your blending experience with the Vitamix 5200's variable speed control feature. With 10 adjustable speeds, you can easily achieve a variety of textures to suit your culinary preferences. Rotate the dial at any point during the blend for ultimate control over your recipes. Large 64-ounce container. The size and shape of the 64-ounce container make it ideal for blending small to large batches with ease. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.